Like my glass.
Never. What would you do if you saw a queen?
I wanna ride, so come inside. I'm busted, baby, with no flies. I'm gonna make you feel so proud. You just might wanna make me wife.
I'm up and left, just drop your addy. I'ma make you call me daddy. Turn the good girl.
Good morning, guys. It is currently April 29th, 2018, and today, me and Denver and my family and a whole lot of other people are going on a surprise trip. Y'all ain't gonna find out until I'm with Denver. So I'm gonna go get ready. I'll be back. Guys, it's like 4:24 in the morning and we gotta leave for like 4:30. I gotta get ready. It is currently 6:15. I wanna kill myself. Big facts. We want to die. She's watching these on her phone. I was watching them with her. And now we're watching movies. And we're waiting for people to get on the bus because people miss the freaking bus because they're really tall. But can you tell them where we're going? New York City. Hey.
Yo, McDonald's. Yo, I want McDonald's. The hell?
Bro, it's fucking freezing.
Bro, I'm getting McDonald's.
My feet are wet. Denver, where are we?
I don't know.
We're in like New Haven, Connecticut, some shit like that.
That's what we need. McDonald's.
My feet are soaking wet. It's raining. Got Riley up this bitch. And I gotta watch my mouth because there's kids. Dude, I don't know where my parents are. Riley.
I'm pretty sure this is the exit.
Whoops. Okay, are you gonna pee? Denver, what you got?
Hash brown, English muffin, egg and cheese. I swear to God, if they put something other than egg and cheese, I'm gonna be pissed.
Yo, we at a rest stop right now in, I think, New Haven, Connecticut. I don't know. What you got? He's like, dude, get me off of this. Mom.
What?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hey, what's up?
I think they're like 2 hours away. I don't know. I need to look it up on maps. So we're gonna be watching another movie. Y'all can't see it because you can't zoom in on this. Yeah, I'm right where me and Deborah and Riley and Noah right where the freaking bathroom is. So I hope no one like shits or anything.
Bet me and you gotta win that shit.
I don't know what this is. Apparently we got a scavenger.
Thanks for the game. You feel like you're at work? No work numbers on this list though.
We don't share. I don't know what this is.
Family pictures.
How many vessels can you spot by me? Denver, what would you do if you saw a queen? Big bags, like
Open this window real quick. I'm looking at these directions. Like,
or Patty, bro, if I ever saw like through the bus or anything, dude, I'd freaking scream. Where are we?
New York City.
I'm from the motherfucking Bronx. Cardi. Yeah, we're in the Bronx right now.
But do you see how easy it is for us to flip over?
She's right. Mom, how you doing? Mom.
What?
How you doing?
Good. You?
When we get to the Statue of Liberty, just take a picture of me. Like before we go up it, of me posing as a Statue of Liberty. You know what I mean? I'm a little retarded, but I don't care. You know, if we fell, it'd probably be like 20 feet.
Hey, listen, we just got on
Yeah, don't scare mom already. Denver, what are you eating? Yo, it won't focus.
Yo, I can't wait for freaking.
Because I'm vlogging.
They serving lunch on here too?
No problem.
That's where the World Trade Center was.
Where?
Right there.
Straight ahead?
Yeah, see the newest tower?
Yeah.
That's World Trade 1.
You know,
Dad, we're going upstairs.
tearing those rings, and that's just the. If Frank were around today, he'd be on.
Don't get in there.
But they haven't forgotten him. The road running along the waterfront to our right, it has a name. That is Frank Sinatra. Oh, okay. John. We've been chased down by the frogs. Actually, that's some of the boats. The railroad. The office had the good sense to turn that into a advertising snow. And all these little advertisements with these little walk trains. There were probably 1,000. You want to know what time was supposed to be there. Easy enough to do. You just Google one word. Put the ticket. They send you straight to the top with no stops. 43 seconds to go. 104 floors. But very likely you chose this one. More newcomers climbed on board a train here than all of the railroad stations combined. With 10 million of those platforms in the back, lived past 10 billion trains headed west. Pittsburgh, Chicago, Kansas City, Rockland, Kalamazoo, all the boats.
Mom! She's there.
It's still there. Look at that picture. But here it comes. And he gives you a family the one sofa. Actually, you? Yes. Yes, my family. He stares at the ceiling, rolls his eyes, holds on his walrus mustache, and he looks you straight in the eye. Put his foot on the side of my birthday. Go on the floodgates. The statue climbs that people still holds up that around. I like the way for 80 more and the rest. Libertine, we can make a little statue. Well, this is lovely. Something about that.
Look at Denver.
Here comes our close encounter. With Libertine right. Degrees along the big donor. We'll turn in a moment, but we'll dead ahead the rolling hills of Staten Island. Rolling hills of Staten Island, the Phillips.
Best friend, what do you gotta say?
Overflows St. Louis. Connecting Staten Island to the rest of New York City, that long, sweeping bridge. Beyond that bridge.
Yo, my stuff better not fall out that bad.
Leslie Townsend Hope. Also a Boulder train.
Yo, we on the last floor, bitch. What do you gotta say about this?
To go through Ellis Island.
What are you gonna say about it? You wanna go over there?
Yeah, I'm just dumping.
Bro, this is lit. Yo, the whole vlog, they're probably not gonna be able to hear us because it's freaking wind. Holy crap! Dude, that thing is mad close.
He's going next to us.
Holy crap!
It's like right here, this level, bro.
Oh, he wasn't.
Oh my god, they're coming back. Yo, what's good? Hey, Denver. Jeep hair don't care, boat hair don't care. Holy crap, that mother shit on me. That mother shit on me. Bro, skirt. Yo, bitch, we up in New York. We up in New York. Wow, you got no enthusiasm. This is so beautiful.
To get by that fort, that Castle William, we're in the East River. And you might as well know from the start, the East River is a fake. It is no more river.
Hi, boo-boo.
This is one of those towns where you come for the first
Dad,
time.
what is that?
And you recognize things that you've never been
That
here
red
before.
thing.
Thanks to movies and television
I
and
know,
so
right?
on. Deja vu, what Yogi Bear called deja vu all over again. And a whole flock of those things be coming up on of the river. Just follow the waterfront into the Hellgate where it curves around. And when we get there, you'll see a flagpole. The flagpole stands at a spot known as Horns Hook. For many years, the logo of the circle line looks suspiciously like the logo for the London Transit Authority. So now you're among the few people actually know where the name came from.
Are you listening to music?
In fact, we go around the island, which we do.
No.
Came from
No music.
the subway
So what do you
line.
listen to? Nothing.
It was a sensation. People were. Oh, by the way, look straight ahead. There goes one of the sky cars now.
Not like mad or upset.
This was closed down. What happened to Billie Jean Cochran?
I'm in better mood. I got some strawberries.
Right 4 feet above the ground. Chrysler had the world's tallest building. Who's not on board any of these helicopters? You, me, or the President of the United States? Because if you were, you and I would not be here. Presidents come to this town all the time. Matters not one bit their name or their party. They come often. And when they do, this is where they land. Marine One. Why do they come so often? Well, it is true Mr. Trump has a place here. But before Mr. Trump, they came all the time. There. You'd be standing on top of 1/3 of the world's gold. 9,000 tons of the stuff.
You wanna know what's getting me mad? What? The fact that the sun decides to come out now.
Probably stop at that Connecticut place.
Oh, that's Denver. So other than the fact that we didn't eat because we thought we were going on another boat, but we didn't this time. I guess we're going home now. Because I think that's our bus is right there. That's our bus. So, I guess we're going home now.
I'm over it. I'm getting McDonald's, so it's fine. I get chicken nuggets and shit, which is what I wanted this morning, but they didn't serve it, so.
Breakfast. Well, it was a fun day. Longer than the last time I came, I think, but the last time I came was years ago. We're like by ourselves right now. We were supposed to depart here at like 4:30 and get home for like 8:30, but apparently not. So,
Is that a bus?
yeah.
Like my glass.
Yo, I got that. Going home. I don't want to.
How was last night?
What movie were we going to see? Hot Home's Cold again?
Bro, dude, I was disgusted for this thing. Alright, so the AC in our bus is not working at all. So this dumb bus driver thing freaking decides to open up that emergency window at the top of the bus. Come over there. And the flip thing wouldn't hold it, so he flipped it open and now we can't close it. Where are we?
We're going to McDonald's again. Thank God.
It's freaking cold, bro.
No, it's not even. It's not as bad as.
Yeah,
it
it's
was
not
on
as
the
bad
bus.
on
Like it is when the wind comes, but other than that, it's.
Ma, say hi.
Hey.
I gotta pee, so are you ordering me food? Yo, this Nate can need to stop hitting me up. Best friend, what did you get for dinner?
Chicken nuggets, fries, and McFlurry.
The usual. Alright guys, so we obviously made it home. I'm in my bedroom. I ain't got no lights on because I have a massive headache. Denver, obviously she isn't with me. She's obviously home. And before we got off the bus, I forgot to make the ending because I am just so tired. We're all so tired. But it was a very, very, very fun, but very, very, very long day today. So I'm sorry I look wrecked. A few things didn't go the way the paper said it was going to go. Like, I did not have the lunch because they were serving it on that boat, but the last time I went, like 10 years ago, I don't know, I was in elementary school, and now I'm graduating high school. Crazy. Anyways, after we went on the boat trip, like 10 years ago, we went on another boat to have, like, lunch or whatever. So we left earlier than what we were supposed to leave. We were supposed to get home around 8:30. We got home close to it. It's like 6:32 p.m. If y'all watch this whole amazing video, please like, share, and subscribe if you liked it. Leave a comment down below.